Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 13. Name is Exponents and Powers. Now, before starting Exponents and Powers chapter, we will discuss something. We can write large numbers in shorter form using exponents, such as example, I have written here 10,000. What does it mean? 10,000 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 4 times we are multiplying 10. We can express this number is in the form of 10 to the power 4. That means when an expanded number we can express in the form of a power and base, this is known as exponent, and this is known as exponential form. Expanded number, if it is possible to express in the form of power, then this notation is known as exponential notation. Read how to read this. 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power 4. Here in 10 to the power 4, 10 is the base and 4 is the power. Base 10 is powered by 4. Here 10 is the base and 4 is the power. Take few examples to clear the idea. What does minus 2 to the power 3? Minus 2 to the power 3 means. Minus 2 to the power 3, that means minus 2 will come 3 times. The same number will come 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. The result is minus 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Odd numbers of negative signs, that means minus into minus plus. This plus will multiply again with minus, plus into minus, minus. If we are multiplying minus odd number of times, minus will remain as it is. If we multiply minus with even number of times, then it will become positive. We will discuss this later on. What does a to the power 7 means? A to the power 7. A into A into A into A into A into A into A. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. The same base will come 7 times. This is expanded form and this is power form. What does the exponential form of A into A into A into B into B? If we want to express this in a power form or exponential form, what we will write? We will write A into A, that means 3 times A, and B into B, 2 times B. That means A cube and B square. A cube, B square. A cube into B square, B to the power 2. That means A to the power 3 into B to the power 2. This is our answer. Next, these all are examples. You have to write all these in your copy. Example 2. Express 256 as a power of 2. When we have to find out any number in its prime basis, we have to find the prime factorization of this number. To find the prime factorization, do this one only. First, it is even number, we will start by 2. Divide it, 256, we will get the number. Again it is coming even number, we can divide it by 2. Divide it, again even number 64, divide it again by 2. How long it is possible for you to divide? Continue, and when 1 will come at the end, then your prime factorization will be finished. Now see, 256 means 2 into 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 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have written 2, 8 times 2. We have written here. Then actually what is the power notation? 2 to powered by 8 মানে 2 to the power 8. 256 means 2 to the power 8. Understood? Next, example 3. Expand a cube, b cube, c square. Answer is a cube means a will come 3 times. A cube means a into a into a. B cube means b into b into b 3 times. B into b into b. C square means c will come 2 times, c into c. This is your expanded form of a cube, b cube, c square. Very easy. Next example is express the following number as a product of powers of prime factors. 432. This is your sum. It is not a rough work. So you have to show this in the main page. You have to show this, not in the rough work. 2, because it is even number, so you will start by 2, and as much it is possible you continue till the remainder is 1. Continue the division. When it is 54, 27 came. 27 we will not try by 2. Then we will start by 3. Then 3, 3, 3. The division you all know. So no need to explain it more. Now 432 is equal to how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what is the number? 2 to the power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 to the power 3. This is our exponential form. Express the number in the product of the powers of prime factors. These 2 and 3 are prime numbers, and these are the power of the product of the prime numbers. Understood? Same sum, 16,000. Show this prime factorization. What we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 comes 7 times, and 1, 2, 3, 5 here 3 times. So the exponential form or the power form is 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 3. This is these all you have to do in your copy. Next we will start. We have started our exercise 13.1. Find the value of 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. 2 will come 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will multiply these all. You will get 64. 2 into 2. 4, 4 into 2. 8, 8 into 2. 16, 16 into 2. 32, 32 into 2. 64. This is our result. 5 to the power 4. 5 will come 4 times. Then your result will come 625. You have to do the multiplication only. The same way, I have given some homework also. Don't send the homework without solving it. If it is not possible for you to solve, don't write this portion then. Those who are able to solve the sum, these students only write the sum. Find the value of 9 cube. This is 9 cube. That means 9 will come 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9. 11 square. 11 into 11. You have to show the result. 2 to the power 6. 2 will be multiplied by 6 times, and you have to give the result. 5 cube. 5 will come 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. You have to give the result. Very small sums I have given as homework. The chapter is also only very easy chapter. So up to here today you have to do. If any problem you can ask in the class. Thank you students.